Viewers, welcome to my channel. I create a video vase flower arrangements DIY with beautiful love quotes. Please like and subscribe my channel. Friends are the family we choose. In friendship, love finds its wings. True friends are love's greatest treasure. Friendship is love without conditions. A friend is love in its purest form. Through friendship, love blooms endlessly. Best friends are love's greatest gift. A loyal friend is a heart's true home. Friendship turns life into a beautiful story. Where there's friendship, there's love. Friends make love feel effortless. Friendship is a love that grows stronger with time. Love begins where friendship never ends. Good friends are love wrapped in laughter. A friend is love that never fades. In friends, we find endless love. Friendship is love's constant companion. Love thrives in the arms of true friendship. Friends are love's daily reminder. Friendship is love in action. True friends make love last forever. A friend's love is a treasure for life. Love and friendship go hand in hand. Friends are the heartbeat of love. Friendship is the foundation of every great love. A friend's love is a light in the dark. Friendship doubles joy and halves sorrow. In friendship, love speaks louder than words. Friendship makes love richer and deeper. Friends are the heartbeat of love. Friendship is the foundation of every great love. A friend's love is a light in the dark. Friendship doubles joy and halves sorrow.